In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can calculate an unknown angle inside an equilateral triangle. With the example on the left-hand side, I can see this is an equilateral triangle because it has the dash on all three sides. And in a previous video, we learned this means that they are all exactly the same length. We also learned that this angle, and this angle are all equal too. If angles inside of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and I have three angles that are all equal, 180 divided by 3 gives me 60 degrees. This is my value of y. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So it doesn't matter which angle I choose. All of these angles will be exactly the same. So y will also be 60 degrees in this example too.